the Americans and the Japanese. My planned tour for today is all over 2 alpine passes. In the middle of them I want to explore something like an abandoned rock mine, I think for granite or some other stones. It's on the Italian side of the Splügen Pass, and if I'm down in Italy I'm very lucky to look forward and have a coffee and something nice to eat. Yeah, the GS is fully packed and fueled up after the ride through the Black Forest yesterday, which you also can see on my channel. So the mid-section through Switzerland, the Autobahn section, I think we can shortcut this and meet each other again if I'm going for the pass and into the alpine environment. Yes, have fun, enjoy it, see you there. Okay guys, we are at the Splügen Pass. The other riders are going already pretty wild. I'm trying to respect the locals and ride safe and not too loud in the villages. But I also will have my blast up there.